wants to learn and draw a beautiful flying bird in a simple and easy way. Get ready and grab a pen or pencil. You need to start and draw a line like this. Look, I'm going to start the line. You have to copy this. A small curve for head this way. Then a small line for a beak. Now, give some cute tail feathers. Draw a few small lines this way. For a more beautiful look, change the pen to a new color. Hey, your bird is going to fly. Let's give it some big feeders. Draw some small lines. Join them this way. A bird can't be without a tummy. Let's draw it to the beak. It's a feather, not a tongue. Make some lines there. Ooh yeah, you are an artist. Add some beautiful colors of your own choice. And fill these feathers like I'm doing. Listen, how a bird can see without eyes. Make a beautiful eye. And a colorful chest as well. Give the final touch. Color it. Where is the other feather? Let me know in the comments. With the bird you draw and the other feather. Don't forget to share and subscribe.